In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion charts. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. Choose the Google option, then select the Google account you use with Notion and complete the sign-in. If you see a prompt to authorize, confirm it so the login can proceed. In a moment, you'll be in your workspace. Next, open the page you want to work with. We'll begin from an existing table on that page. If your table is a simple one, it isn't yet a database, so open the Tables menu. You can do this from the block handle next to the table or the three-dot menu, depending on your layout. Choose Turn into Database. This upgrades the table so Notion can power views, filters, and, of course, charts. Give your new database a clear name. Descriptive names make it easier to find later, and they also label your chart views so teammates immediately understand what they're seeing. Now look near the top of the database and click Add a new view. From the view types, select Chart. Notion will create a chart view tied to this database. From here, configure the chart so it tells the story you need. Pick the chart type that fits your data, like a bar or line chart for trends, or a pie-style chart for parts of a whole. Select the property for your x-axis, such as a date, a category, or a status. Then choose the metric for the y-axis. You can count items or use a number property to show a sum or average. If you have multiple categories, add a grouping or segment to compare them side by side. Use filters to include only the records that matter, like this month's entries or items assigned to a specific team. Sorting helps present the data in a logical order. Rename the view at the top to something meaningful, like revenue by month or tasks by status. If the chart feels crowded, toggle the legend or narrow the date range to focus the story. And remember, every change in the view updates live as your database records change. Finally, switch between the chart and other views like table or board to validate the numbers behind the visualization. When everything looks right, your chart is ready to share or embed wherever you need it inside Notion. That's it. You went from signing in, opening your page, converting a table to a database, adding a chart view, and tuning it for insight. Pause and replay any section as needed, and you'll build clear, reliable charts in Notion with confidence.